Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about may you, I can, requests, and offers. Part 2. In the last video, we already discussed the expressions, oh yeah, it's just that, date, totally, be willing, back on track, on top of it, a load off my shoulders, miss, go, and come. Now in this video, we are going to discuss the remaining expressions that were used from the story, requests, and offers. Let's get started.
Ace. To ace means to get a very good grade with little effort. For example,
have you heard about Matthew?
Yes. I didn't know he was so smart. He's acing trigonometry.
acing. Fancy. Fancy is used to describe something elegant, possibly with intricate details. For example,
What did Claire wear last night?
She wore a very fancy dress with lots of ruffles and bows.
fancy. Any chance? Any chance is used to ask informally if something is possible or true. For example,
Do you need anything?
Any chance you have a lawnmower I could borrow?
any chance. How about if? The expression, how about if, offers a suggestion for action by one or more people. For example,
We have a long weekend coming up.
I know, right? How about if we all go to the beach?
how about if? I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you is a promise to find information for someone and contact him or her as soon as you have it. For example,
I don't know how much the real estate tax on this house.
Don't worry. I'll find it out and get back to you right away.
get back to you. ASAP. ASAP means as soon as possible. For example,
Any problem? I'm kind of busy right now.
Call me ASAP if you're not busy anymore. I need your advice.
ASAP. Instead. Instead indicates a replacement for something else. It is placed after the word that indicates the replacement. For example,
Why are you in the mountains last weekend?
We thought about going to the beach, but went to the mountains instead.
instead. Instead. Instead of is used before the replaced alternative. For example,
I thought Matthew will buy a truck.
I don't know why he bought a car instead of a truck.
instead of. By the way, By the way, introduces a new topic, or a change in subject in the middle of a conversation. For example,
Do you like your new job?
Yes, I really like my new job. By the way, have you heard from Joshua?
by the way. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate is a way to indicate your willingness to be available for someone. For example,
Thank you so much.
No problem. If you have any questions about this contract, don't hesitate to call me.
don't hesitate. See you later. See you later is an informal way of saying goodbye. For example,
Thank you for dropping by my things.
Okay. I've gotta run. See you later.
see you later.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the most appropriate response to each question, or remark.
Quiz number 1. One. Hurry up. I don't want to miss the train. A. We'll go ahead and walk. B. Go ahead without me. The correct answer is letter B. Go ahead without me. Two. Good news. The judge dismissed the lawsuit against you. A. I'm back on track. B. That's a load off my mind. The correct answer is letter B. That's a load off my mind. Three. You missed 10 out of 20 questions on the exam. A. Any chance you can help me? B. I aced it. The correct answer is letter A. Any chance you can help me? Four. Are you willing to work harder? A. I'll get back on track. B. I'll work instead. The correct answer is letter A. I'll get back on track. Five. Do you mind if I call you? A. Of course not. Don't hesitate. B. Oh yeah? The correct answer is letter A. Of course not. Don't hesitate.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the most appropriate expression for each situation.
Quiz number 2. One. You are ready to order a meal in a restaurant. You say to the server, A. I want the chicken. B. I'd like the chicken, please. The correct answer is letter B. You are ready to order a meal in a restaurant. You say to the server, I'd like the chicken, please. Two. A woman has just fallen down and cannot get up. You say to someone with a phone, A. Could you call an ambulance? B. Call an ambulance. The correct answer is letter B. A woman has just fallen down and cannot get up. You say to someone with a phone, call an ambulance. Three. You are talking with your academic advisor at the university. You say, A. How many credits could I get in order to graduate? B. How many credits do I need to get in order to graduate? The correct answer is letter B. You are talking with your academic advisor at the university. You say, how many credits do I need to get in order to graduate? Four. A tow truck has come to take your car to the mechanic's garage. You say to the driver, A. Can you give me a ride to the garage? B. I'm willing to ride with you to the garage. The correct answer is letter A. A tow truck has come to take your car to the mechanic's garage. You say to the driver, can you give me a ride to the garage? Five. A poll is being taken concerning an upcoming election. You say, A. I need Evans to win. B. I want Evans to win. The correct answer is letter B. A poll is being taken concerning an upcoming election. You say, I want Evans to win.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.